Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. My name's Adriana Luna for the ones that don't know, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys. On today's video, I'm going to be testing out a viral hack that is going on TikTok. Yes, I have TikTok, and you guys should follow me on there because I do little makeup tutorials and just fun little things just to, you know, show my personality. But I know that this hack has been around for years, and I just have never tested it for you guys on camera and showed you guys. And my type of skincare is more on the combo side. I just get oily around my T-zone throughout the time. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks on camera and how it works for someone that's normal to kind of oily throughout the day around my T-zone. So we're gonna start.
After moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and
So that's the video that went viral, and the steps are moisturizing, translucent, setting, spray, primer, and then foundation. So for my moisturizer, I wanted to keep it more on the affordable side for you guys just to test this product out. So for that, I'm going to be using Covergirl truBLEND moisturizer. So this is gonna be my first time also using this product. It's really watery. Smells like sunscreen. We're gonna moisturize really good. Let me know in the comments down below how are you guys doing, and also little man's right here doing a homework or just like a fun package for school.
Hi.
Since they're not going to school right now for
Hi,
a while. Right here, right here. There, look at them.
Hi,
This one does feel more on the oily side. I don't like the feeling of it. It does feel moisturizing, but it feels oily and it feels soft. Kind of feels like it's turning powder, which is weird. Then it says translucent, so you can even use, I feel like, your foundation powder because it's still a powder. So I'm just going to be using this Covergirl truBLEND 50 translucent powder. It's a loose mineral powder. This one is always messy and it looks so white, doesn't it? It's supposed to be translucent. Oh, we'll see. We'll see what happens. So now for my setting spray, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Love this stuff, you guys. I recommend this to you guys. We're gonna let that dry a little bit since that's what the hack says, let it dry. And now for the primer, I'm going to be using the POREfessional primer by Benefit Cosmetics. I really love this stuff, you guys, because it does truly blur your pores. As you guys can see, those little dots, those are all my pores. And did you guys know the older you get, the pores get bigger? Lord Jesus. But yes, they get bigger. The only way that you can minimize them is by doing laser, and that's it. There's no skincare or anything that can make them smaller. You can only clean them so the dirt doesn't, you know, accumulate in there, but that's it. The next step is to add foundation, and I've been loving this foundation by Wet n Wild, and my color is golden beige. If you guys want reference, I really recommend this foundation to you guys. If you are more on the oily side, then I would suggest to set extra, but I really love this, you guys. So those were all the steps in the video that was mentioned. So now I'm just going to do my makeup behind the camera, and this makeup look that I'm going to be doing is going to be inspired by the one and only Kylie Jenner. Look at that, you guys. So I posted this on Instagram, and it's super easy, really, just such a really gorgeous look, you guys. So it's really easy, and I'm using so many affordable products. So I'll come back after I'm done with my makeup to show you guys the final outcome and everything, to let you guys know what I really think of, you know, after everything is settled. So I'll be right back. So I am back to let you guys know how I feel about this. First of all, I love the way my face looks. It was cracking a little bit of my forehead, but I feel like that's normal because my forehead is always cracking. I need some Botox, girl. I'm getting older. But other than that, my face looks really good. I don't feel a difference. I don't see a difference as to how I apply my makeup already, you know, daily, with just moisturize and then foundation and all that stuff, and then powder at the end. It looks really good from, you know, the fact that we did powder and then foundation, because you know you don't want to apply powders and then creams. No, that's like a big no-no. But look at this. I mean, it looks really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have tried it, please comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on TikTok for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please stay safe, meditate, pray, and don't discriminate. That's gonna be my new little quote for you guys. Bye.